What's up, everybody? Little break in the rain situation. So, what is it, 9:45 right now? I'm headed to Los Robles, which is one of the places where typically after a rain, it dries out pretty quickly. It's got a lot of sandy, rocky base, which is pretty much the only place I can go without doing any damage to trails or getting my bike too muddy, because I just polished that sunbuck last night with muck off. Waterless wash. Anyway, headed to Los Robles. I got a new mount situation on my helmet. I'm going to try that out, see if it works. And like I said, this is my only opportunity to ride in between rains. It's been raining like, I measured 4 inches last night. That's what she said. No, 4 inches of rain last night, because I have a bunch of collection buckets out, which is illegal in California. Anyway, I collected the rainwater, and dude, they're like almost all overflowing, which is good. We need it. I'm not complaining, but I need a ride. So I'll see you guys out there. Here we go. As you can see, we got a little bit of rain overnight. The day before yesterday, this was just like maybe 15 feet wide, a little trickle. Come on, rain, stay away for at least an hour. Well, we just arrived. Okay, let's do this. All right, here's the before. All right, that's kind of cool. That's going to be my angle, my view. Let's try it out. Well, I can really feel the weight of that camera on my head, so I'm going to have to adjust my helmet strap, tighten it up a little bit. Well, on a positive note, there shouldn't be anyone here. Uh-oh. All right, ooh, a little water. This is going to be muddy, for sure. Maybe I'll just do a couple of toads laps, you know? Shouldn't be anyone on it. Let's do that. Alright. I'm gonna turn around right here. Let's just do some Mr. Toads. Woo! Hopefully, no hikers. There we go. Wow.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you guys? I didn't think anyone would be out here.
Still alive.
Woo! I came out and it just started raining. I'm like, come on.
I know. Well, it's the best soil to be
Yeah,
on in a
exactly.
Space, though, so.
Woo!
Nice. It was nice.
You guys here all day or what?
Is that?
You guys here all day?
Oh, you never know.
Kinda.
I was gonna do it.
To, like, see when the water's flowing, be able to divert it, because otherwise
Yeah.
you can only guess what's going on.
You guys care if I'm doing a lap or? No. Okay, I might do one more.
It'd be nice if you had a bell or something.
I know.
I did not hear you, and I was like this, and I was like, oh shit.
And my brakes aren't working that good, so.
Well, I heard it once the brakes.
Yeah. Yeah, I think after this.
Throw a bell in there, that'd be sweet.
Yeah, I'll do that.
That'd be handy.
All right, thanks guys.
Sure, have a good day.
You too. Well, I don't know. Plans change, you know. It's kind of muddy. I shouldn't be out here. That's too bad. It's a lot wetter than I thought it was going to be, so. I don't know. I call it a day. Look at that little river. Jeez, that's new. All right, short and sweet. Woo! I think I'm done. I tried to make it happen, but oh yeah. That's all I got. All right, everyone. Kind of a letdown, but just in that back brake. Once it dries out, we'll definitely be back. Well, that was very short-lived. Bike barely even got wet and dirty. It's just too muddy out here. And I'm gonna call it quits. Wow, well, you know, Mother Nature, she gave me a sign. She's like, you know what? Today is not a good day to ride. Plus, it was a lot more muddy than I anticipated. The ground didn't soak up as much as I thought it would because it's been constantly raining. It's been pretty steady. And, you know, it just started again for the next few days. So, yeah, honestly, to me, it wasn't worth tearing up the trail. So, it was cool to see those guys out there and girls, you know, actually opening up little drainage for the trails. Super cool of them. And I should have had a bell. My bad. I just, you know, I don't like running bells typically just because of my videos. And, you know, I didn't think anyone would be out there, honestly. I thought I was going to do a couple fun laps on toads while, you know, it was unoccupied. But, you know, I was wrong. So, anyway, called it quits early. All right, everyone. Until we meet again, stay stoked. Have a nice day.